When we start building out financial systems, they can get super complex. Let's face facts. I can go into an Excel spreadsheet and I can put in a couple of numbers in a column and I can do a sum. That's a pretty simple spreadsheet. But for me, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to put some pivot tables in and I'm going to do some VLOOKUPs and all these other crazy formulas that for my clients may not make any sense because they have no idea what I'm talking about. The same holds true when you talk about the systems in your business. The bottom line is this business is the business owner's. As the owner, this is your business. Ultimately, you're driving it. So if I offer a system that is too complex for where you're at, one, you're not going to follow it, and therefore it's going to fail. However, if I can come up with a very simple system that we can start building upon and moving forward. So very often clients be like, oh, nope, take a step back. We're going to start simple. We're going to take baby steps, one step at a time. And there's a reason that I go through the system the way I do. We've got to get to the foundation so it can go to the focus so that we can get to a point that we can grow our business. And that takes simplicity. Because if we're not finding a simple system, we are not going to follow it and it is not going to work. So I will always do my best to bring it back to simplicity so that the system itself, especially when it comes to your finances, helps you to maximize your profits moving forward.